comes the truck.
Sweet.
I did my best, but
Yeah, no worries, no worries. Glad it's here, made it safely.
yeah,
It's a long drive.
I almost sold it yesterday.
You almost sold it? Yeah. Sweet. Yeah, we want to convert it to electric.
Maybe after that, guys. Good luck.
Thanks.
That's safe trips.
Yeah.
She's ours.
Woo! Yeah.
Awesome.
I love it. I want to get a scale so bad. This thing's gotta be so light. I imagine like 2,800 pounds. It's a suspension.
The whole thing is like covered in grease. Jack, what is this thing right here?
Yeah, that's a jack. That's like a farmer's jack. That's for like tractors.
Yeah, like right back here, you can have the batteries and stuff.
Yeah.
It needs a little bit of work here and there, but
Whatever.
not bad.